Welcome back to my channel, Margaret Knob Designs. I'm really glad to see you here today. This is my second project using the Simple Stories, Simple Vintage Weather Garden. It's such a long name. Sorry about that, but it's a long name and I've got to try to remember to get it ready. So I wanted to show you this folio that I made, and with the folio, it is actually a design by Tiffany from Let's Get Scrappy. It was a part of a swap that we're going to be doing, and I wanted to make one of the swap items, so I made it out of my my collection, and I still have some of the items left over. But with the leftover items, with the it's called Simple Vintage Weathered Garden. I had a few of the items left because I bought extra on my own. So I'm going to come back and I am going to be making some cards to go in my other card album, and probably making them birthday cards so I can use them for throughout the year. But I wanted to show you this, but before I show it to you, I'd like to give a shout out to my granddaughter, CCC. The other day she happened to find me on YouTube without even looking for me, so she thought her Gigi was pretty scrappy. So I want to say hi, CC, I love you, and so happy you're watching some things on my channel. I love you very much. Have a good day, honey. So let's get into the folio and let me show you what the design is. She used, I think Tiffany used a collection from Photoplay that she also got at Country Craft Creations. This is a design team project for me using that collection, and she does talk about making the book or folio a couple different sizes. I made it, this is 4.5 by 8.5, and I thought it's a really great size. She also talked about making this 3/4 of an inch. I did mine as an inch. And on the back I have one of the journal cards. Part of it is because I forgot to put the I forgot to put my ribbon underneath my papers like I normally like to do. But I thought, you know, a journal like this or folio like this looks good with a double wrap. And of course my favorite ribbon, the black checked, is my favorite. So let me show you what we've put into this. So this goes all the way around, and as you can see, like I just said, there was this on the back, and I made it so that it can pull either way. It's glued down here, but I thought the person who gets this can also put the date, put name on there, whatever they would like to, if there's a date from, let's say, a birthday or a special event. And on the front, I used some of my Prima flowers from Country Craft Creations, and I wanted to make this really simple because of the ribbon going around. And this is one of the journal cards that I backed with the black Artisan cardstock. And this is a sticker, no, it's a piece of the ephemera that I just glued down over that. I also took and put a couple of the stickers. Oh my goodness, sometimes my brain doesn't want to work. Right across the bottom here, and I thought that they look good. I used several stickers throughout this album just because I didn't want to make it too, you know, too bulky, but I have plenty of room, so I think it'll work out fine. And so if we open up to the middle, here we go, the middle of the folio, and I did some of the brads that I bought right down the center. I thought that was a little bit different, and it looked nice. And then on this side of the folio, I have one of the stickers, or one of the ephemera pieces. I have that, no, that's actually a sticker. I have that popped up, and then I backed this chipboard piece with some black Artisan cardstock and used some of the paper there, and I used a magnet on the back of here for that, and I thought that'd be a nice place to put one of the sentiment stickers. But I also added a white sticker right there. You know, both of these would probably look better with the black behind them. And, you know, I encourage you to do that. Fussy cutting is not my favorite thing. So I know I could have done it on my Scan and Cut, but this is what I did. So then these are a couple flaps that just work a little bit differently in this folio, and I thought was really cute. Used some of the butterfly paper with a sticker and a heart sticker down here. Took one of the sentiment stickers, put it sideways, and then this one, Happy Thoughts, and one of these stickers there as well, and then a couple of the stickers right down here. I did not make these so that you could go under them. I figured you'd probably put one big picture here and a big, maybe two pictures down here, but that I don't think those stickers are necessarily going to get in the way. You could put a smaller picture here, bigger one down here. Same thing going here, like 2x2s or 3x3s, depending upon what kind of pictures that you've got. So then this is the inside of that, of the flaps, and I put one of the stickers down here, but the paper is so beautiful I didn't want to do much with it. And this is a flat pocket. I call it a flat pocket because there's no gussets on it, but I wanted it just so that it would hold one tag, and that would go there. This is one of the cut-aparts from the collection that I just cut it out with my G45 tag paper cutter, and I just left it blank on the back because this is thick, so I just want the picture on the back of here. You could also add some ribbon on top of here. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. But then on this page I have a butterfly sticker there, one sitting on the plants, one here, and just added those to add a little more of the butterflies on there. All right, and then that just closes up like that. And then if we go over to this side, this is a waterfall. Going down, I picked out one of the pages, and I thought this was so pretty with the white flowers, and the waterfall going down. The top piece is a regular piece of, the design paper. Going down here, I used a 1/2 inch piece of the design paper, and then a couple of the chipboards on top of there. The thing with this waterfall is it's a regular type of waterfall. It's not I know there's some people that make it a little bit differently with connecting it all together, but this is how I've done this. Oh, I forgot to put my paper on the back of here. My design paper, so I'll have to go back and do that. I did add some green going down here because I made this. This, I believe, was 4 1/4 was the size of those. Yeah, those are 4 1/4. And what I actually did is I like to cut a piece of 4 1/4 cardstock, and then what that does is that then gives me a gusset underneath here, that if I want to stick any photos in there or a booklet, that can all be put into there. And then this serves as twofold. It gives me a pocket underneath, but it also helps me to line my waterfall up straight down because I match up the edges of all of this as I go down. You know, sometimes it's not 100% perfect, but for the most part, it comes off pretty nice. So we have 2, 4, 6, I think 7 going down. And in the back, this is the back of that pocket back here. I just left it plain so that a picture could be put onto there. And all the way along on the waterfall, I added the green solid cardstock from the solid collection. I added that all the way down. I thought it just provided a lot of good consistency as I went. And then that's pretty much it. We go to the back. Again, it's the cut apart, and date and name could be put on there. But this is just a simple folio with some decoration in it, but I think it turned out pretty nice, partly because this collection is amazing. So please hop on over to Country Craft Creations, see if there is more of that left. I will put links down in the description below. And so for now, I thank you for visiting me and hope you have a great Saturday, and look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thank you.